Good morning, everyone. It is August the 7th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day, and we'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, I hope you had a great weekend. It poured rain. I think we got about 1.5 inches around us when that front came through. Lingered. It was a lot of it was absorbed too, and we had temperatures. I think that yesterday's high was 82. We're forecast to be in the mid 80s all week this week. And it's August, so we're going to enjoy it. And hopefully your weather cooperated too. Very little news over the weekend. Asia followed the lead of the Dow. The Dow's been up 8 days in a row. Asia was higher. In Europe, the CAC and the FTSE were up a little bit, but the DAX was off, I think about, 0.38%. So the DAX made the European UK collective stock market slower. So we don't have any news to drive to the market. We've got labor market conditions index. Don't know what it's going to be. Last was reported at 1.5. No one will pay any attention to it. So we're left with the direction of the ES, which has rejected 77. Once again in Globex. So if the E-mini sells, treasuries have a chance to trade higher. Not a lot going on. Bullet all down, trading range, and right now we have a down bias. Maybe stops below 28 is the play. Without a lot of news to drive the market, my guess is that we will be in a range today. I think the first trade of the day is find a place to get short to see if we can take out 125.28. If we can't, we can get long. Sell 1, 3 to 7. Sell 2, 11 to 15. On the buy side, 25.29 and 17 to 21. Okay, there'll be no statistics today. Pat's on vacation for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And he left it open like that. So we'll have to trade without those. And again, they don't make or break the trade. They are statistics. They are what they are. They're never 100%. But I think the value of those statistics is if they confirm your conclusions that you've already come to, then they're a great aid that way. And then they help you place limit buys and limit sells too when you're leaning against the previous day's VPOG. Okay, looking at the 30-year, as you can see, maybe we rejected prices below 28 on Friday. We'll find out. The knob spread was unchanged over the weekend, so we're just kind of sitting here. So value is a little bit lower. You can see where the volume number is a little bit lower. The volume profile is leaning B, so we'll make number 1 4 to 8. Sell 11 to 15. 19 to 23. Sell 2. On the buy side, 24 28. Buying 17 to 21. Buying 9 to 13. Basically looking for a trading range day to day with a lower bias. Gold was a little bit lower after it got whacked on Friday. And we have a seller at 65 basically. So 64, 66, sell 1. 69, 71, sell 2. On the buy side, we're at support. So 59, 61, buy 1. 55, 57, buy 2. Okay, as traders, when we come in on Monday, if nobody knows what if we can't figure out what the markets are going to do, probably no one else can either. Doesn't mean that a direction will not emerge from the trading, but starting off in the morning, we can anticipate probing large players. We're looking for see what the large player is going to do to help us with our directional calls. Dollar was down over the weekend. Euro is up, so the spill in the euro came at 118.50. Last rotate up was 118.30, so 35.45, sell 1. 75, sell 2. On the buy side, we have London's low at the bucks at 118 even, 118.10, buy 1. 117.75, buy 2. Crude oil. Not a lot of news out on. We still deal with the same. What's the actual production going to be? Saudi Arabia maintenance has bought us a month's time before fundamentals kick in, but 49.50 to 50 even is the sell zone, and we have had buyers at 48.50. We're pointed lower this morning, so 48.50, 48.75. It's where support is buy 1. 48 even, 48 and a quarter, buy 2. On the sell side, 49 and a quarter, 49.50, sell 1. 49.75, 49.50, sell 2. When we take a look at this trading range, right in front of your very eyes. E-mini, hard to say. 77 is resistance, and that held in Globex. The issue for us as traders is when is the E-mini and all the other indexes going to catch up with the Dow. What we do see right here is that volume is moving higher in the distributions. We also have a move out of the middle that started in P period. So my guess is that we're probably going to find buyers in the 24.65-70 area, and they'll get long to see if we can get through 77, 78. And if we can't, they'll go to the short side. So our first sell, 77 to 80. Second sell, 84 to 89. On the buy side, 70, 72. And 65, 67. And don't be surprised if we have a 6 to an 8 handle range today. Sleepy Monday, the month of August. Europe is on vacation. I guess we're, what, 3 weeks away from our Labor Day vacation here for the States, so pretty quiet summertime trading is what we should expect today, and that's what we'll play for. It's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.